Welcome my William Jack class. Today we are going to start very first video of English literature. So it is the forms of literature. So देख लेते हैं. Literature has given a chain of genre like prose, poetry, one act plays, essays, novel, criticism, drama, and short stories, etc. Presentation and expression is varied from time to time. According to Oxford Dictionary, the term rhetoric means the impressive way of talking and writing. It is also described as the art of literary composition. It is a technique to impress the reader or listener. Rudiments teach a person how to speak and write effectively. Invention, elocution, है ना, acquisition, rhythmic communication and memory are five rudiments. According to B.L. Joseph, alliteration, antithesis, apostrophe, hyperbole, simile, metaphor, personification, oxymoron, onomatopoeia are the figures of speech. The term prosody means the science of versification. In other words, it is the study of forming the verse and the rules of meter. Literature can broadly be divided into three major forms: poetry, drama, and prose. So this there is poetry. Poetry can be defined in simple language as an imaginative and aesthetic recreation of the world. The creations of the poet are more powerful, more beautiful, and more appealing than the real objects that are recreated by him. Aristotle defines poetry as a speaking picture with the end to teach and delight. Matthew Arnold says the future of poetry is immense because in poetry our race, as time goes on, will find an ever surer and surer stay. Sidney calls poetry as the most ancient and the most featherly antiquity, as from whence other learnings have taken their beginnings. Poetry and life are inseparable. उसको inseparable है. One cannot exist without the other. Thus, poetry is the earliest and the most powerful form of literature. The important forms of poetry are, please write down, the sonnet, the ode, the epic, the mock epic, the lyric, the idyll, the pastoral, the ballad, the satire, the elegy. The first is the sonnet. The sonnet is one of the earliest forms of poetry. It was sung by silicon peasants in accompaniment with lute or mandolin. The earliest sonnets were written by the great Italian poet Dante, 1265 to 1321, and Petrarch, 1304 to 1374. The English sonnets appeared in a miscellany of songs and sonnets. The two well-known poets who contributed their sonnets to the miscellany were Sir Thomas Watt, 1503 to 1542, and the Earl of Surrey, 1518 to 1547. Sonnets were also written by Shakespeare, Milton, Spenser, Sidney, Wordsworth, etc. A sonnet is a sonnet. A sonnet is a short poem of 14 lines. The two major types of sonnets are the Italian or Petrarchan sonnets. They consist of two main parts. The first first 8 lines from the form the octave with a rhyming scheme of AB, BA, AB, BA. The remaining 6 lines form the sestet with the rhyming scheme of CDE, CDE, or CDC, CDC, or CDC, DEE. Octave may also be divided into two stanzas for 4 lines of 4 lines called the quatrains, and the sestet into two stanzas of 3 lines each called the tercets. Miltonic sonnets. Milton wrote only 24 sonnets in Petrarchan's rhyming scheme. They are superb in their thoughts or artistic finish. The English sonnets have 3 quatrains of 4 lines each and couplet of 2 lines. The rhyming schemes of an English sonnet is AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, GG. The English sonnets are also known as Shakespearean sonnet. Some important sonnets are as follows: Astrophel and Stella, 1598 by Sir Philip Sidney. Amoroti, 1595 by Spenser. Sonnets, 1609 by Shakespeare. Diana, 1592 by Henry Constable. Delia, 1592 by Samuel Daniel. Felice, 1593 by Thomas Lawes. Sonnets, 1645 by John Milton. Holy Sonnets, 1633 by John Donne. River Dudden Sonnets, 1820. The Ecclesiastical Sonnets by Wordsworth. House of Life, 1881 by D. Rossetti. Sonnets from the Poets, 1850 by Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Modern Love, 1862 by George Meredith. So मैं जो आई एम reading these questions from the Pratyukta Sahitya series book. It's very important questions. A sonnet has 14 lines. A Petrarchan sonnet has two parts. They are octave and sestet. A Shakespearean sonnet has two parts. The first part has 12 lines and the second part has 2 lines. आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स आई थिंक रीडर ये सही नहीं है, ये गलत है क्योंकि या ओके ओके सॉरी बिल्कुल सही लाइन है क्योंकि 14 लाइन लाइन्स के 2 उसमें कपलेट होता है. फर्स्ट 3 पार्ट में क्वार्टर्स होता है, ये बिल्कुल सही है. आई एम सॉरी. सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ शेक्सपियरियन सोनेट इज कॉल्ड कपलेट. शेक्सपियर रोट 154 सोनेट्स. मिल्टन रोट 24 सोनेट्स. They also serve who only stand and wait. Name the sonnet from which these lines have been taken from. On his blindness. जॉन डन ने इसको लिखा है. नेम द सोनेट ऑन इज ब्राइटनेस, सॉरी जॉन डन ने नहीं, इसको जॉन मिल्टन ने लिखा है. नेम द सोनेट सीरीज कंपोज बाय सर फिलिप सिडनी, एस्ट्रोफल इन स्टेला. हु रोड द रिवर डूडन सोनेट्स, वर्ड्सवर्थ. नेम द टाइटल ऑफ द सोनेट सीरीज रिटन बाय एलिजाबेथ बैरेट ब्राउनिंग, सोनेट्स फ्रॉम द पोर्तुगीज. हु रोड द सोनेट यू लव, शेक्सपियर. Shakespeare has immortalized his love for his dark lady. So these are very important from the literature forms of part of poetry or sonnets. So I hope आपको ये थोड़ा समझ में आएगा. Thank you.